In the vast expanse of the universe, I am but a humble witness to the majesty of God's creation, unfettered by the shallow judgments of hypocrites who fail to see its profound magnificence. The true beauty of God, nature, and the universe lies in the authenticity of our connection, untouched by the pretense and hypocrisy that often cloud our perception. While hypocrites may argue over doctrines and dogmas, I find my spiritual sanctuary in the whispers of nature and the cosmic embrace of the universe, where divinity truly resides. In the depths of my soul, I find a sacred connection to God, where hypocrites fail to grasp the true essence of divinity. Nature whispers the language of the universe to my heart, while hypocrites merely skim its surface with blind eyes and closed minds. My perception of God transcends the limited boundaries imposed by hypocrites, allowing me to embrace a profound and personal understanding. As I gaze into the vastness of the universe, I realize that my connection to it all is deeper than hypocrites can fathom, for I am a part of its cosmic dance. God's presence in my life is a genuine reflection of my authentic beliefs, untouched by the masks of hypocrisy worn by others. While hypocrites may use religion as a shield, I find solace in the divine harmony of nature and the universe, where true spirituality resides. The universe reveals its secrets to those who seek a genuine connection, unburdened by the artificial piety of hypocrites. In the symphony of existence, I am attuned to the melodies of God, while hypocrites struggle to grasp the profound harmony that surrounds us. Nature's canvas reflects the divine brush strokes of God, and in its beauty, I find solace, untouched by the superficiality of hypocrites. My understanding of God and the universe is a personal journey, unswayed by the judgments and hypocrisy of those who fail to see beyond the surface. The language of God whispers in the breeze. Through nature's beauty, it gently appease. Deciphering profound messages, I strive. Unburdened by hypocrisy's noisy jive. In the symphony of earth's grand display, God's echoes guide me on my way.